Okay, last one. Hopefully that's clear. Martha read that iron 3 nitrate and lithium hydroxide would undergo a double replacement reaction to produce iron 3 hydroxide and lithium nitrate. If Martha took 100 milliliters of a 3.5 molar lithium hydroxide solution, how many grams of lithium nitrate could she expect to produce? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is write, balance, and underline. So equation is iron nitrate plus lithium hydroxide yields iron hydroxide and lithium nitrate. Okay, we're looking at the lithium hydroxide and the lithium nitrate. Okay, and it is a 3 mole to 3 mole ratio. So if we look at it, it's 3 moles of lithium hydroxide for every 3 moles of lithium nitrate. You can reduce that to 1 to 1 if you want, or you can leave it at 3 moles per 3 moles, whichever you want to do. Okay, so then now we were given that we have a 3.5 molar lithium hydroxide solution, and she's got 100 milliliters. So we're going to try and figure out how many grams of lithium hydroxide she has. So you take your molarity and expand it to moles per liter. So 3.5 molar lithium hydroxide equals 3.5 moles of lithium hydroxide to 1 liter. Okay, then we want to convert moles to grams, because now we have moles of lithium hydroxide, but we want to find out how many grams that is. So we multiply it by our molar mass. So 3.5 moles of lithium hydroxide, multiply it by 24 grams over 1 mole. Moles cancel, and we get 84 grams of lithium hydroxide in 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to set up the ratio. Okay, so we're going to set it up 84 grams of lithium hydroxide for 1,000 milliliters equals X grams for 100 milliliters. You multiply both sides by 100 milliliters and you get 8.4 grams of lithium hydroxide. Okay, so now we have 8.4 grams of lithium hydroxide. We figured out how much we are starting with. Okay, now we need to convert that back to moles. So we have 8.4 grams of lithium hydroxide, and we multiply it by the molecular weight. And it's 1 mole of lithium hydroxide over 24 grams. Grams will cancel, and we get 0.35 moles of lithium hydroxide. Now we know how many moles of lithium hydroxide we started with, and we can apply the mole ratio to find out how many moles of lithium nitrate we will produce. So we have 0.35 moles of lithium hydroxide, multiply it by our mole to mole ratio. So I changed it from 1 mole to 1 mole. You could have done it with 3 moles to 3 moles, but we put lithium hydroxide in the denominator, so they will cancel, and we'll end up with moles of lithium nitrate, and it's 0.35 moles of lithium nitrate. Now we have one more step, because the question, if you look back at it, asks how many grams of lithium nitrate can we expect. So we have our last step. We're going to convert moles to grams again. And we're going to take 0.35 moles of lithium nitrate and multiply that by the formula weight, or the molecular mass of lithium nitrate, which is 69 grams over 1 mole. Put your moles in the denominator so they cancel out, and you get 24.15 grams of lithium nitrate. And that's the answer. Hope these help, and we'll see what we want to do for the second pages. All right, we'll see you in class.